iPhone 18 Air 2. While everyone is distracted by the Pro models, Apple has been quietly perfecting the most radical redesign in the history of the smartphone. This isn't just an update. It's a complete reimagining of what a phone should be. For years, we've been told you can't have a super slim design without sacrificing battery life. But the leaks coming out of the supply chain suggest Apple has finally cracked the code. The iPhone 18 Air 2 is rumored to be a staggering 5.6 millimeters thin. To put that in perspective, it is significantly thinner than the original iPhone and almost approaches the thickness of a credit card. It's a design feat that seems physically impossible until you look at the new 2-nanometer architecture of the A20 chip hidden inside. This A20 chip is the heart of the revolution. By moving to a 2-nanometer process, Apple isn't just making things faster, they're making them incredibly efficient. This efficiency allows the Air 2 to maintain a battery life that competes with current Pro models despite having a much smaller physical footprint. We're looking at a device that stays cool to the touch while performing heavy AI tasks that would make previous generations stutter. The design isn't just about being thin. The iPhone 18 Air 2 is expected to debut a refined titanium frame that is both lighter and more durable. The edges are rumored to be slightly more rounded, making the ultra-slim profile comfortable to hold. Then, there's the display. Apple is reportedly using a new slim OLED panel that integrates the touch layer directly into the display stack. This screen is expected to reach a peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it perfectly legible even under the harshest midday sun. Now, let's talk about the camera. For a long time, the Air philosophy meant compromise. Not anymore. Leaks suggest the Air 2 will feature a dual 48-megapixel system that sits almost flush with the chassis. No more massive camera bump. Apple is using a new Metalens technology that uses nanostructures to focus light, allowing for a much thinner camera module without losing cinematic depth and detail. The software experience is where this hardware truly comes to life. Running on iOS 20, the iPhone 18 Air 2 is built from the ground up for Apple Intelligence. We are moving away from a screen full of apps and toward a proactive digital assistant that anticipates your needs. Siri is no longer just a voice. It's an integrated layer of the OS that can see what's on your screen and take actions across different apps simultaneously. One of the most exciting rumors is the introduction of a dedicated AI hub. This isn't just about utility. It's about a phone that learns your habits, your tone, and your preferences to provide a truly bespoke experience. And for the first time, Apple might be opening the doors to third-party AI integration, allowing you to swap between Apple's local processing and cloud-based giants, depending on the complexity of your request. The release strategy is also seeing a massive shift. Historically, Apple drops everything in September. But the latest intelligence suggests that while the iPhone 18 Pro takes the stage this fall, the Air 2 is being positioned as a special release. This gives Apple the breathing room to perfect the manufacturing process for that 2-nanometer chip and ensures the Air 2 gets the solo spotlight it deserves. So who's this phone for? It's for the person who is tired of the heavy brick in their pocket. It's for the user who wants the absolute cutting edge of design without needing a triple-end array. The iPhone 18 Air 2 is the ultimate expression of a seamless sheet of glass that can do anything. As we get closer to the official announcement, the hype is only going to grow. Every leak points to a device that will make every other phone on the market look like a relic of the past. The question isn't whether the iPhone 18 Air 2 will be a success. It's whether you're ready for a phone that finally feels like it belongs in the future. We are standing at the edge of a new era in mobile technology, and the Air 2 is the bridge that's going to take us there. The future is thinner than you think. Imagine holding a device so thin it feels like a sheet of glass, yet so powerful it outperforms most laptops. This is the Apple's upcoming lineup has been subjected to a plethora of leaks. That said, the major attention has been toward the iPhone 18 Pro and the company's first foldable, the iPhone Fold. But fresh reports from tipster Fixed Focus Digital on Weibo shed light on two other models, the iPhone 18 and iPhone Air 2. The leak points at minimal design changes for the base iPhone 18 and a possible fall launch for the iPhone Air 2. iPhone 18, minimal design changes. According to the leak, the standard iPhone 18 will retain the same 6.3-inch display size as the iPhone 17, with only minor tweaks to its dimensions. These changes are expected to be so subtle that most users may not even notice them, though they could affect compatibility with older cases. Contrary to earlier reports from Ice Universe, the leak suggests that the smaller dynamic island will remain exclusive to the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. This aligns with other sources that have said Apple is reserving the reduced dynamic island for its higher-end devices. iPhone Air 2. Fall launch possible. The second leak focuses on the iPhone Air 2, which has been surrounded by conflicting reports. Some sources, including Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, claim the device would be delayed until spring 2027, possibly to add a second rear camera. However, Fixed Focus Digital insists that the iPhone Air 2 will launch this fall alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone Fold. He describes it as a routine upgrade, with no major design changes or additional cameras. The device is expected to follow Apple's standard product cycle, likely featuring internal upgrades, such as the A20 Pro chip. If true, Apple could unveil 4 models this year: iPhone 18 Pro, Pro Max, iPhone Fold, and iPhone Air 2, while the base iPhone May 18th arrive later in 2027. Apple is expected to shake up its usual iPhone calendar next year, with the iPhone Air 2, iPhone 18e, and standard iPhone 18 reportedly lined up for spring 2027, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. The 3 devices are said to be scheduled for a March or April unveiling, most likely at a U.S. event, with the iPhone Air 2 positioned as a slim higher-end option and the iPhone 18e as a cheaper entry point. Apple has traditionally anchored its main iPhone launches in September. The current iPhone Air and iPhone 17 arrived together last autumn, while the cheaper iPhone 16e and iPhone 17 were introduced in the first quarter of 2025 and 2026. The latest suggestion is that Apple will push further into a split release strategy, unveiling some models in autumn and holding others back until spring to spread demand and ease production pressure. Gurman's latest report points to a 2-stage roadmap for the iPhone 18 line. In September 2026, Apple is expected to launch the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and a new foldable flagship, often referred to as the iPhone Ultra or iPhone Fold. Those top-end devices are tipped to feature the new A20 Pro chip, a dynamic island reduced by about 35%, and possible camera upgrades, such as variable aperture, with U.S. prices for the Pro models likely starting at around $199. But the more mainstream devices are now expected to follow in early 2027. In March, Apple is tipped to launch the iPhone 18e, the standard iPhone 18, and the iPhone Air 2. That would leave no base iPhone 18 on shelves in autumn 2026, an unusual gap that highlights Apple's growing focus on its premium range. The split schedule has appeared in analyst notes for months, but the exact timing of the iPhone Air 2 has shifted repeatedly. Some earlier rumors placed it in September 2026, while others suggested it could be dropped altogether in favor of an iPhone 18 Plus. Gurman's spring 2027 report offers the clearest window yet, although Apple has not confirmed any of it. iPhone Air 2. Ultra-thin design, A20 Pro power, and modest camera tweaks. The iPhone Air 2 is expected to remain Apple's ultra-slim statement piece. Design leaks are limited, but current reporting suggests Apple will stay close to the original Air, with a thickness of around 5.6 millimeters, a flat design, and a clear emphasis on lightness. Titanium is expected to remain the frame material, paired with ceramic shield and an IP68 rating. The action button and camera control button are both expected to return. Under the hood, the iPhone Air 2 is widely tipped to use Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip, built on a 2nm process. The current Air already uses a Pro-class chip, and matching the Air 2 with the same A20 Pro silicon expected in the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max would reinforce its place as a thin but high-performance model. Early industry chatter suggests the move from 3nm to 2 nm could bring roughly 15% higher performance, while cutting power use by about 30%, though those figures remain unverified. On memory and storage, expectations are more straightforward. The iPhone Air 2 is expected to offer 8 GB of RAM and storage tiers of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The 128 GB option, dropped with the first Air in the iPhone 17 range, is not expected to return. Battery life is unlikely to change dramatically. Because of the slim design, Analysts do not expect a major increase over the current model's 3,149 mAh battery. Charging is also likely to stay broadly similar, with MagSafe support and wired speeds of around 20 W rather than the faster charging seen on some Android rivals. Camera upgrades look modest on paper. The baseline expectation is a 48MP main camera and an 18MP selfie camera, in line with the current setup. One Weibo leak claims Apple is considering a second rear lens, potentially a 48MP ultra-wide, which would narrow the gap with the standard iPhone 17 and add more flexibility. That move may depend on space being freed up by a revised Face ID unit inside the slim chassis. Other reports, however, suggest Apple could keep a single rear camera for another year, leaving the Air 2 focused more on thinness than photography. iPhone 18e and iPhone 18. Lower cost, shared core, limited upgrades. Alongside the Air 2, Apple is expected to launch the iPhone 18e and standard iPhone 18 in the same spring window. Gurman reports that both are likely to receive the new A20 chip, bringing them closer to the rest of the family on core performance. Beyond that, expectations are deliberately modest, with rumors pointing to little else in the way of major upgrades. The iPhone 18e is being positioned as a lower-cost, budget-focused device, effectively taking over the role the base iPhone once played at launch. Exact specifications and pricing have not leaked, but recent models suggest Apple will try to keep costs down by reusing displays and camera hardware from the previous generation while still offering the latest chip and long-term iOS support.